Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Color together. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. color together. Baby blue. Purple. Bright yellow. Pink. Red. this color together. Bright yellow. Pink. Yellow, green. Red. Orange. Green. Blue. Purple. Baby blue. Blue. Red. Brown. together. Gray. Baby pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink.
everyone! Let's draw the magical Bonka and Malibu. Grab your marker and let's go. First, draw her big sparkling eyes and a happy face. fluffy, flower-shaped outline for her head. Now draw her little body, arms, and legs. Add a big bow on her head and a puffy cloud shape right behind her. To finish up, trace all the lines with a thicker marker to make the drawing bold and clean. And there she is, Bonka and Malibu. She looks adorable and is all ready for color. And now it's time to color her in. Let's get started. Let's start by coloring her head green, her collar yellow, and that big, beautiful bow. A bright red. We'll make her arms orange and her legs blue. Then let's color her little body pink and the big puffy shape behind her purple. She's so colorful. To finish up, I'm tracing all the lines with a black marker to make the colors pop. And she's all done. Bonka on Malibu looks so bright and cheerful. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye! Hey everyone, today we're going to draw something beautiful, a princess dress. Grab your marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the top of the dress, which is called the bodice. Then, right below it, we'll draw a big, beautiful flowing skirt. With a fancy frilly edge at the bottom. Every princess dress needs some puffy sleeves, so let's add those on the shoulders. And a cute little bow right in the center. To make it extra fun, we'll add some stripes across the skirt. Okay, our sketch is done. To get it ready for some beautiful colors, I'm going back over all the lines with a thicker marker. This makes the whole drawing look super clean and bold. We drew this beautiful princess dress, and now it's time to bring it to life with lots of color. Let's get our paints and have some fun. First up, I'm using a sunny yellow for the bow, the puffy sleeves, and one of the stripes on the skirt. Next, let's grab some red for the top of the dress and the first big stripe right below it. It's already looking so vibrant. Let's make the rest of the skirt a beautiful rainbow. I'm adding a stripe of orange, then a stripe of green, and finally a lovely blue for the bottom stripe and the waistband. For the frilly edge at the very bottom, let's use a bright, fun pink. This adds such a nice finishing touch. Okay, all the colors are in and it looks amazing. For the final step, I'm going back over all the outlines with a black marker. This really makes the drawing look clean and helps those rainbow colors pop. And there you have it! Our gorgeous rainbow princess dress is all finished. It turned out so beautiful. Thanks for painting with me today. I hope you had a wonderful time. See you in the next one. Bye!
Hey everyone, what's up? Today, we're heading to the workshop to draw a cool set of tools. Grab your marker, and let's get to it. First up, we're going to draw a classic screwdriver. We'll start with the flat tip, draw the long shaft, and then a nice, big handle, just like that. Next, right below it, let's draw a ratchet. We'll make the C-shaped head, the long handle, and a circle at the end. Looking good. And for our last tool, let's draw a wrench. Start with the open end, then draw the handle, and add a little hole at the end. There's our tool set. And for our last tool, let's draw a wrench. Start with the open end, then draw the handle, and add a little hole at the end. There's our tool set. Okay, the sketches are done. Now, to make them look extra clean and ready for paint, I'm going over all the lines to make them thicker and bolder. This really makes the drawing pop, and there we go. One awesome set of tools, all drawn and ready for some color. First up, the screwdriver. I'm making the shaft bright red. Then, for the handle, I'm going with a nice classic blue and adding a little yellow stripe. Next, let's color the ratchet. I'm using green for the head, a bright orange for the handle, yellow for the circle at the end. And for our last tool, the wrench, let's make it purple. To make it pop, I'll add a bright pink stripe in the handle and a little touch of yellow on the head. Alright, the colors are all in. Now for the final touch, going over all the outlines with a black marker. This makes the drawing look super clean and brings all those bright colors to life. Alright, the colors are all in. Now for the final touch, going over all the outlines with a black marker. This makes the drawing look super clean and brings all those bright colors to life. And, all done, our colorful tool set is finished and looks awesome. Thanks for painting with me today. I hope you had fun. See you in the next one. Bye. Hi everyone, let's draw and color a cool roller skate today. Are you ready to draw with me? Start with the toe, then the top and heel. Draw the sole. And two big wheels at the bottom. Add a big star. And some fun laces. Awesome! Outline the whole shoe with a bold black line to make it pop. Great job! Our roller skate drawing is ready to color. Alright, first up, we're going with a bright red for the main part of the boot. Next, let's grab some yellow for the star and the hubs of the wheels. Now for some green on this stripe right here and on the toe. Let's add some purple to the tongue and the main part of the wheels. We'll use blue for the truck that holds the wheels, and for the little eyelets. And a nice, bright pink for the laces. For the final touch, we'll use a black marker to go over the lines and really make those colors pop. you have it. Look how awesome and colorful that turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Hello everyone, let's draw Peppa Pig together.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran round. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Let's color together. Pink.
The clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Baby pink.